Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam when it keeps loading on the startup screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the search bar. Once it's active, type in Task Manager. This will bring up the Task Manager application in your search results, so go ahead and click on it to open it up. Task Manager is a powerful tool that lets you see all the processes running on your computer and gives you control over them. Once Task Manager opens, you'll need to locate Steam Client Web Helper in the list of running processes. It might be nested under Steam if you have the list grouped, so look carefully through the active processes. When you find Steam Client Web Helper, right-click on it and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will force that process to stop running. Now here's what's interesting, Steam should automatically relaunch itself after you end this task. Give it a moment to restart and see if it loads properly this time. The Web Helper component can sometimes get stuck, and ending it forces Steam to refresh that connection. If Steam still doesn't work after relaunching, you'll need to close Steam completely. Make sure it's fully closed by checking your system tray in the bottom right corner. Sometimes Steam stays running in the background even when you think it's closed. Once you've confirmed Steam is completely shut down, locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on the Steam shortcut, and from the context menu that appears, click on Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions to access system resources, which can resolve loading issues caused by permission conflicts. After launching it as administrator, you'll need to wait 1 to 2 minutes. The first launch can be slow when running with administrator privileges, so be patient and let it fully load without interrupting the process. Now, here's something else that can interfere with Steam's connection. If you're using a VPN, make sure to turn it off. VPNs can sometimes conflict with Steam's network protocols and cause loading problems. Disable your VPN completely and try launching Steam again. Additionally, if you're still experiencing issues, you might want to restart your router. Network connectivity problems can prevent Steam from connecting to its servers properly. Simply unplug your router, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and let it fully restart before trying Steam again. And there you have it, you've successfully fixed Steam's loading issue using these troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.